Hi everyone, this is Michiel from Team Learner Scare AI. In this video, I'll provide a complete overview of our AI agent calling system. On the main dashboard, you'll first notice the overall call success rate displayed prominently. You can view detailed performance insights including daily, weekly, and monthly breakdowns for a quick overview of campaign performance. Here, you can see key statistics such as the average response time, your balance, and the overall accuracy score. You'll also find insights into sentiment analysis and call transcription quality. These details give you a clear picture of not only how your calls are being handled, but also how customers are responding, which is essential for refining communication strategies. Moving forward, the dashboard shows call volume analytics with a monthly breakdown of completed and missed calls, helping you track performance trends, identify bottlenecks, and measure improvements over time. Another important area is the call distribution chart. Here you'll see a clear separation between inbound calls, outbound calls, and campaign-driven calls. By monitoring these categories, you can identify which types of calls dominate your business operations, and you can allocate resources more effectively to meet demand. When you run quick campaigns, the results are recorded in detail. You'll have access to the contact's information, call notes, and recordings, alongside the full transcription. This level of documentation is especially useful for training purposes, quality assurance, and creating actionable follow-up strategies. Now let's turn our attention to the profile section, which is an important area for managing both personal and organizational details. Here, you can update basic information such as your first name, last name, email address, and phone number, ensuring that your contact details remain accurate. This section also includes security options, where you can reset or update your password whenever needed to maintain account safety. Beyond personal information, the Profile page also features a Members tab. This allows you to view and manage your team members, assigning roles and keeping track of who has access. Finally, within the organization settings, you can define broader company details, like your business name, the default time zone, and the preferred language. These settings create consistency across the platform so that your team members all operate with the same standards. Now, let's explore the Agents tab, which is the heart of the system where most of the action happens. In this section, you can search for any existing agents you have already created, apply filters to quickly refine results, or dive in and create entirely new agents from scratch. There are three main approaches to creating agents. First, you can build an agent completely from scratch, designing every prompt, question, and response according to your business needs. Second, you can create an agent by having a conversation with the AI, providing the system with all necessary business requirements. The AI will then generate prompts and scripts for you automatically. Third, you have the option to use pre-built templates, which are ready-made and designed for common use cases, allowing you to quickly launch agents without extensive setup. Each of these options gives you a high level of flexibility, whether you want a fully customized agent, a partially automated one, or a ready-to-use template. This ensures that your AI agents can be perfectly aligned with your business objectives and workflow. Once you begin customizing an AI agent, you gain control over all aspects of its configuration, allowing it to function exactly as your business needs. One of the first decisions is choosing the AI model. Different models specialize in various types of conversations. Some focus on precise, structured responses, while others allow for more natural or creative dialogue. Selecting the right model ensures your agent can handle the type of interactions your customers are likely to have. Next, you can assign a voice to the agent. There are multiple options available, including male and female voices, different accents, and tones. This helps make conversations feel more natural and professional. You can even listen to each voice before assigning it, ensuring it aligns with your brand identity and the type of communication you want your agent to deliver. Language configuration is another critical option. You can set the agent's primary language and enable multiple languages if needed, so it can seamlessly communicate with different customers. This makes the system versatile and ensures all callers feel understood. You can also define when a call should end, which prevents unnecessary long conversations. The call transfer options allow routing to another agent, department, or specific team member depending on the situation, ensuring customers reach the right person quickly. Finally, you can configure how the agent handles conversation flows, including sequences of questions, conditional responses, and handling interruptions. These settings ensure the AI follows your company's communication style while providing a consistent and professional experience for all customers. Integrations are a vital part of getting the most out of your AI calling system. One powerful example is connecting with cal.com, which allows you to manage bookings and scheduling completely seamlessly. Once integrated, your AI agents can automatically check calendar availability in real time, schedule appointments for your team, and provide instant confirmations to your customers, eliminating the need for any manual intervention. Setting up the integration involves entering your API credentials, event type ID, time zone, and other essential details. These settings ensure the agent communicates with cal.com accurately and that all scheduled appointments reflect real-time availability. In the voice settings, you can adjust the voice speed, which controls the rate of speech, allowing it to be faster or slower according to your preference. The voice temperature and modulation determine how expressive or sentimental the agent sounds, making interactions feel more human-like. Regarding LLM temperature, setting it low ensures the agent strictly follows your scripted responses, while increasing it allows the agent to provide creative and dynamic replies during conversations. The introduction settings are particularly useful when a customer interrupts the agent. The agent will pause, listen carefully to the customer's input, and then respond appropriately, maintaining a smooth conversational flow. Additionally, you can adjust the voice volume, ensuring the agent's audio is clear and audible. The system also includes voicemail detection, allowing the agent to detect voicemails and either hang up or leave a message with your custom prompting. You can set the voicemail detection duration and configure call on silence settings to end calls automatically if no response is detected from the customer. Maximum call duration can also be defined based on anticipated objections or call flow requirements, ensuring all interactions stay efficient and professional. The system includes IVR navigation, which allows the agent to interact with automated menus on the recipient side. The agent can select digits and navigate through menus to reach a real person, ensuring seamless communication. Post-call analysis is available to capture descriptive data from each call. By providing specific instructions, the system retrieves and reports relevant information for review. The advanced settings include speech enhancements, reminder settings, keyword triggers, and ambient sound options. Ambient sound settings can simulate environments like a call center, making interactions feel more realistic. Reminder settings enable the agent to periodically prompt the customer if they remain unresponsive. You can configure the frequency and number of reminders with questions like, "Are you still with me?" or "Are you still there?" to maintain engagement. Speech settings also include back-channeling, which adds subtle conversational cues to make interactions feel natural and human-like. These small auditory signals, indicated by a small eye icon, enhance the realism of eye communication.
Aw, nubu flip flopsy? Simabi.
While creating an agent, you can select from predefined templates and make modifications to suit your specific requirements. This flexibility allows you to launch campaigns quickly and efficiently. In the campaign section, you can filter campaigns by type, inbound, outbound, or by status, such as posted, active, or completed. Additionally, you can search for specific campaigns by name to locate them instantly. To create a new campaign, click on Create New. If using the standalone AI calling software, you simply provide a campaign name, select the agent you have created, and designate the campaign as inbound or outbound. You also choose the phone number from which calls will be triggered. You can assign tags to calls and allocate a budget for the campaign. Once you set the start and end dates and times, clicking Start Now will launch the campaign immediately. For users integrating with Go High Level or other CRM systems, select CRM Campaign, assign a name, choose the agent, and designate the trigger number. In the Contacts section, you can import a CSV file with all necessary contact details. Tags can also be assigned, such as location or department. Custom fields include first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, and any additional address information. Once contacts are imported, you can search, edit, or delete individual contacts. Adding a single contact manually is also possible by providing the full contact information and assigning a tag. If your CRM is connected, you can import contacts directly from the CRM, simplifying the contact management process.
Sul Huba Nubu, Vup SNAA, Narbug Glump.
After inputting your contacts, you can search for specific contacts, edit their details, or delete them as needed. If you want to add a single contact manually, simply provide the first name, last name, mobile number with country code, email, and company name. You can also assign tags to that contact for easier segmentation. For importing multiple contacts, if your CRM is connected, you can click Import from CRM, and all contacts will be transferred seamlessly into the AI calling software. In the phone number section, you can add up to 3 new numbers by providing the account SID and auth token. Once you click Update Credentials, the numbers are added successfully. You can then select any number, assign a friendly name, and click Take Number to enable it for making calls. If your system uses custom telephony, you can add those details and save. Additionally, you can mask your number by adding a caller ID, ensuring privacy when placing calls. In the billing section, you can view your current plan and, if needed, change to a different plan by clicking Change Plan and selecting the desired option. You can also add a new payment method by clicking Add New Card or remove any previously added payment methods. Your billing history is fully accessible, showing transaction dates, credits, amounts, and status, allowing you to track your financial activities efficiently. The software also offers a variety of integration options. Using webhooks or the API key, you can fetch and sync data with other platforms. Additionally, Books configuration is available to route data into specific software systems. You can connect with Zapier to automate tasks and set up notifications, call notifications, lead management, and assistant actions to ensure seamless workflow across your integrated systems.